This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Kia Sorento key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the emergency key blade completely out of the fob. This step reveals the small slot you will use to pry open the casing, making the next steps much easier to perform. Now that the emergency key is out, look for a small slot where it was. Insert a small, flathead screwdriver or a prying tool into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a slight separation between the two halves of the key fob. Work your way around the seam, carefully prying the casing apart until it fully separates. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the small coin cell battery inside. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery. Now, insert a new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks securely. Test your key fob to ensure it works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.